it's getting longer too. Music sounding good to me, but I wanna take you higher. Yeah, let me take you higher. Baby, baby, let me light your fire. Oh yeah, a little bit higher. Boom, shaka, boom, boom. Hey, 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 little nitty-gritty. Music's in your city too. Music's getting good to me. But now don't you, I said don't you wanna get higher? Yeah, don't you wanna get higher? Baby, baby, let me light your fire. Oh, high, little bit higher. Boom, shaka, boom, boom. Hey, 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 hey. Come on, baby, higher. Don't you wanna get higher? Ooh, yeah, higher. Light your fire. Come on, get higher. A little bit higher. I want higher. So I wanna light your fire. Boom, shaka, boom, boom. Hey, 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 hey. Beat is here to make you move. Music's here to help you groove. The music's sounding good to me. Take your places. I'm gonna take you higher. Higher. Wanna take you higher. Higher. A little bit higher. Come on, get higher. A little bit higher. Higher. Higher.
Now I've been happy lately, thinking about the good things to come. And I believe it could be something good has begun. Oh, I've been smiling lately, dreaming about the world at one. And I believe it could be someday it's going to come. 'Cause out on the edge of darkness, there rides the peace train. Oh, peace train, take this country, come take me home again. Now I've been smiling lately, thinking about the good things to come. And I believe it could be something good has begun. The peace train sounding
Le mani subito sul pallone, a terra. Bravo.
Come on, the peace train.
Subito sul pallone.
Train, holy roller. Everyone jump on the peace train.
Vai,
Come on, the peace train. Get your bags together. Go bring your good friends too. 'Cause it's getting nearer. It soon will be with you. Come and join the living. It's not so far from you. And it's getting nearer. Soon it will all be true. Oh, peace train sounding louder. Ride on the peace train. Come on, the peace train. Now I've been crying lately, thinking about the world as it is. Why must